Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Actually, today is my birthday. Welcome to my birthday vlog. I turned 28 today. 28, although technically I was born at like 7 p.m. so we still have quite a while to go. Technically, I'm still 27. Thank you, everyone. But it has been a lovely start to the day. We just like relaxed in bed for a while and then went for a nice long neighborhood walk. I wanted to start off the vlog because we went into our mailroom. We have not checked our mail in a very long time. We check it like once a month legitimately, so it's always shoved full of stuff. Yeah. We got some exciting stuff, some save the dates for weddings this year. Nat and A-Rod. Nat, if you're watching this, very excited.
Beautiful card, by the way.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. And then also got one from Sarah and Cody, which I'm also so excited about, in Nashville. First time in Nashville, I'm gonna be very pumped. Love it. We will be there.
We will be there.
All of the weddings.
All of the weddings.
It's gonna be a busy year with weddings. Like, we're getting to that age now where people are doing it. They're really doing it. Also got a cute little card from my Pop here. Shout out to you, Pop. Sorry, battery died, but we're back. I definitely want to start the vlog because I got this big package from Kaya, who's the girl who runs the workout, like the virtual workout studio that I go to all the time. You guys probably know that by now because I talk about her all the time. But she sent me like legitimate presents. What the heck? She is so sweet.
Showing us up, Kaya.
Yeah, right? This cute wrapping paper and everything. Yes, look at the card.
She knows you.
So sweet. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't believe
so nice.
Not have to send me presents. This is crazy. Look at these.
Home is real. That is hilarious.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. And a cookbook. The Dude Diet. Clean-ish food for people who like to eat dirty. Ooh, yes.
Ooh, I love that.
Oh, look, another note in here. Oh my gosh, I love that. We definitely have to make something out of here. These nachos, yes.
Into it.
I'm getting a phone call. Oh, from my madre.
Madre.
Hello?
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mama. And I'm back. Just got a lot of phone calls, which was lovely. Oh, it's been such a good birthday so far. But I have one more little thing that I want to open here. Just a little package. It's from Alex Mika Jewels. Ooh, so pretty. Look at these little hoops. Little gold hoops here. So gorgeous. And then this really pretty simple chain, which I love. I told them that I love simple pieces, dainty pieces, and that I'm really into gold, so there you go. Oh, I love it. So pretty. Big thank you to them. I will try to find these on their website and link them down below. But it's Alex Mika. Alrighty, so I have my workout in about 20 minutes and I have something that I need to finish up for work really quickly. So I'm gonna do that, get changed, and hop into my workout.
It's your birthday, bitch. Close your eyes and just listen to Drake sing
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, Drake. What a B-day workout. Honestly, me working out on my birthday, if that's not proof that I actually am obsessed with these workouts, I don't know what is. I literally never would work out on my birthday. Not to mention I won't be able to go to any other live classes this week, so have to take advantage while I can. So I thought now might be a good time to fill you in on all of the plans for the day because I have a feeling that this vlog is probably about to get very hectic and like a little all over the place. So I sort of want to fill you in on what will be going on throughout the day. Now, I'm getting ready right now because Tara's gonna come here and we are going to head into Malibu for the day. Obviously gonna go to Malibu Farms, get a delicious meal. Oh my gosh, this is like dripping everywhere. Gotta get my sunscreen on, you guys. Yeah, so we are going to do that during the day today. Not exactly sure what we'll do after that, like maybe hit a winery or I don't know exactly, but it's going to be a fun time. Very much looking forward to that. Plus, I have not seen Tara for a little while now because she's been in Hawaii and it honestly felt so strange. I'm so used to seeing her all the time again. I was telling her that it will be a very weird transition back into like long distance besties. It's gonna be very sad. Not looking forward to when she leaves LA and we have to go back to that BS again. That is future us problem, not birthday Jill's problem. So that's gonna be sort of the first phase of the day. Then we're going to head back here and I'm gonna have to get changed for dinner, but we're going to head over to Venice Beach Bar, where we're gonna meet up with a bit of a bigger group. Just sort of threw invites out to a ton of people, told them no pressure about like actually coming. We may like plan something else for my birthday, maybe next weekend or the weekend after. I don't know exactly. So anyway, it wasn't a big deal. And I told everyone like no pressure about coming through, but I think we're gonna have a nice little group that comes by for some birthday drinks pre-dinner because Connor booked us a very special dinner for my birthday, which I am dying over. I'm so excited. He just told me yesterday what it is. So we are going to this restaurant. It's called Providence. I'd never heard of it, but it is apparently a 2 Michelin star restaurant that features a tasting menu that is very seafood heavy. So obviously you guys know Connor and I love our seafood so much. It is our favorite thing to eat, and in general our favorite thing is to eat. So I cannot tell you how excited I am. This is going to be insanely delicious. So that is how we are ending our night. We actually have a very late reservation. It's not until 9:15. Because obviously this is a very high demand restaurant. So Connor had put in like alerts to see if anything opened up, any reservations opened up, and he got one, but it was 9:15, which is totally fine by me. I do not mind at all. So we'll have like a good amount of time to hang with some friends before we head out to that. So it's going to be a very exciting and fun day. I am really looking forward to it. Feeling very lucky today. I'm feeling the love from all you guys. I'm getting so many DMs, so many comments on my vlog wishing me a happy birthday, which I appreciate so much beyond words. I can't even tell you. I'm also just so excited to get to spend a birthday with Tara. It's been years since we've gotten to spend either of our birthdays together, so it's just gonna be so special, so fun. I'm feeling very, very lucky. And that's the deal for the day, everyone. Very excited. It's going to be a very fun time. I have no idea what I'm wearing during the day today or tonight to dinner, so it's going to be a bit of a thrown together situation, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. I think I'm just going to sort of do what I've been doing with my makeup recently. I actually think pretty positive that I vlogged this already, so I probably won't talk too much about it. I'm pretty sure that I vlogged this already. I don't know, sometimes it's hard to keep track of things that I think about wanting to vlog versus what I actually vlog. Sort of a mind F. Actually, speaking of mind F, I just started that book series. It's called Mindfuck, excuse my language, because I never curse on here. I'm an angel. Yeah, I started that series. I read the first book in that series over the weekend. I literally finished it in like probably 12 hours. It's only 132 pages, so it's really quick to get through. But I'm very excited to dive into the next book. I really enjoyed it. It's a really quick, easy read. As I said, it's not like too complicated. I like the writing. It doesn't feel like overly pretentious or anything like that, which I always appreciate. It's basically about this woman who's a serial killer, but sort of well-deserved because some terrible things happened to her, so she's looking for revenge. And I really enjoyed it, you guys. Highly recommend you check that out. I definitely am going to be downloading the next book in the series, but the next I'm gonna read is called like Punk 57. I think that's the number. I can't remember what the number actually is, but that's going to be my next read because Victoria and I are gonna read it together like at the same time. So by the way, if you missed my last vlog, I straightened my hair last night, but of course overnight some of my little bumps and curls and stuff came back and now it's been up. So I'm gonna go touch up my hair and get dressed. Look at this. And I'll check in with you guys when I have my outfit picked out. Okay, here is the B-Day look. Very simple, nothing out of control. I'm also wearing that new jewelry I got from Alex Mika. So cute, I really like it. And Tara's on her way over here, so we're going to be heading out in a few minutes. An amazing table too. Thank you.
This might just be our best table we've ever seated at, ever.
Literally ever.
Because it's your birthday.
Yes, they knew. Just a little mimosa flight for our day. The rainbow flight. We're at Malibu Cafe. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna try this one first.
Happy birthday, Bess.
Thank you. Cheers.
Love you.
Love you.
That is so refreshing.
Delicious, classic mimosa.
And it's so hot outside. It's so good.
I know, it's a perfect day. I'm so happy. Okay, lunch got here. It was so fast. I got the like green goddess quesadilla vibe, and Tara got the caprese quesadilla, and we're gonna do a little switchy to each. That way we can both try them. We decided to get one last mimosa for the road. This is some sort of like butterfly pea mimosa. I don't know exactly what the deal is, but look, it comes with a pretty flower on top.
Your flower looks so pretty.
I love it. Cheers. Ding.
Oh, the purple.
I know, it's so good.
I'll wait for you.
Oh, that's delicious as well. Alrighty, lunch is complete and we have hung out here for many hours at this point.
So many hours.
And we are just getting ready to head back. We were just sort of walking up and down the pier, got some pics.
Nice.
You know what the vibe is. Oh, I'm so glad we got to spend a B-day together.
I cannot tell you how happy it makes me to spend your day with you. I cannot tell you. I'm so happy.
It's the best. It feels so good.
Happy.
Yes, very pleased. And we are getting ready to head back now. So I will check in with you guys back home.
You know what it is! You know what time it is! It's Jill Cimorelli's birthday!
Cheers, friends.
No,
It's pretty okay.
I feel like Tito's is just like does nothing to me anymore.
I totally agree.
Because it's all we've been drinking. It just,
But
like,
with
doesn't-
this, mix. Alrighty, we are off to the Venice Beach Bar for the next leg of the B-Day
Celebration.
Yes, and we have a bunch of friends meeting us there, which is very exciting. We have Tara and Simone that's already here, which is lovely. There they are. And we are heading to our favorite bar on the west side, the Venice Beach Bar. Yeah, it's also looking gorgeous. Obviously post sunset, so not quite as beautiful as probably 20 minutes before, but still pretty good.
Say there, my choice would be that. Like
You feel like you're back in Hawaii?
Then I recommend the top one.
Yes, very.
Okay.
Right? It's
What do you think? Get a
gorgeous.
pint or go
The
to
boys talking about the booze.
Yeah.
contemplating the beer, actually.
I was prepared to toast you. Are you not gonna let me toast you?
Toast me now.
Alright, everybody! To Jill Cimorelli on our 20th year! To Jill, to Jessica, to JoJo. And to our King
This is the stuff.
like an inverted filter where it makes two sides.
Time to get you in front of it.
Okay.
It's a birthday girl. Come on. There we go. Hi, how are you?
Doing well. How are you?
Good too.
Thank you very much. Our first, our second, and our third. Cheers. It's amazing.
Oh my.
I'm so excited for the rest of our bites.
Here we go.
It's gonna be so good. So we have one more little bite here, and apparently this is just the appetizer, and we haven't even hit the menu yet. So we're already dying because everything we've eaten has been amazing, and I'm very excited for this. Best bite so far. Thank you.
Yeah, that was a favorite right there.
Ooh, it's gonna get better.
Essentially Washington oysters.
Yeah, Washington oysters.
Caviar.
Yep, caviar and some sort of butter. Can't remember, maybe garlic butter. And the oyster inside here is cut up into pieces so you can take it in multiple bites. Okay, next up is a little ceviche. Look at how beautiful this presentation is. We are dying. It's gorgeous. And everything we've eaten so far has been amazing. We've been dying.
Oh my.
We have had many courses since I've spoken to you, but here is my salmon. It looks incredible. Connor has a Wagyu, which he's already tried and is obsessed with. Coming in here to end the vlog, you guys, because Connor and I came home and literally immediately went to bed. I was exhausted. It was such a long day, but so much fun. Everyone made me feel so special on my birthday. I can't even tell you. It was just such a good day. I feel so blessed, so lucky to have so many incredible people in my life. So Anyway, just really here to end the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of birthday fun, and I'll see you in my next video.